Hi, I'm Dawn Wang, a maker and longtime art educator. I love how different materials each carry their own character and warmth, and how working with our hands turns ideas into something we can hold. In this course, we'll focus on vegetable tanned leather. It's a remarkable material. Dry, it's firm. When dampened, it softens and yields to your touch. As it dries, it sets and holds shape. It takes color beautifully and, with time, develops a natural patina. So the pieces you make don't just last, they grow more personal. What we're really learning here is craftsmanship. How to collaborate with a material instead of fighting it. How to think with your hands rather than repeat steps without intention. How to create within simple limits and let form, texture, and detail speak. I'll guide you step by step through the core techniques. Wet forming and shaping, basic carving, dyeing and tinting, stitching and edge finishing. We'll talk tools, setup, and simple habits that make your work cleaner and more enjoyable. You'll complete a set of small projects that build skill and confidence. A triangle eye charm to practice clean cuts and edges. A leather flower brooch to explore layering, shaping, and color. A 3D panda ornament to learn volume and contour. And a pet portrait tag to combine carving, detail, and finishing into a meaningful keepsake. We'll keep the learning space welcoming and practical. You don't need prior leather experience, just basic hand skills, curiosity, and a bit of patience. I'll show you how to avoid common mistakes, how to fix small errors, and how to get clean results without expensive tools. For me, handcraft has a simple truth. I shape the object and the object shapes me. If you enjoy tactile making, quiet focus, and the satisfaction of seeing your work improve one step at a time, you'll feel at home here. Gather your tools, prepare your workspace, and let's begin crafting. One thoughtful cut, one careful stitch, one finished piece at a time.